Hi, Ron Craig here again in the kitchen to share with you one more unique, handy and helpful household hint. In a previous video, I showed how to make a tomato sandwich in a bowl using all the same delicious ingredients as on a regular tomato sandwich, but one that you can eat at your own pace without dripping tomato juice on you. Today I want to talk about making a pineapple sandwich in a bowl. On a regular sandwich, you have 2 slices of bread. You can use sliced pineapple, but the slices being a little small, you may have to use the second slice, breaking it up into pieces to fill in the gaps to fill up your sandwich. And you also have the juice problem. It could be that if it's too juicy, the sandwich will fall apart in your hands while you're trying to eat it. Another option is pineapple chunks. But again, you have the juice problem. And also, while you're eating your sandwich, some of the chunks may fall out the bottom. I found the solution to be crushed pineapple. So I took a can of crushed pineapple, opened it, poured half of it in my bowl, and then I put the other half in a storage bowl that I can put in the refrigerator for the next sandwich. Or if there are 2 people in the household who like this kind of sandwich, you can make 2 of them. Then I took a big tablespoon of mayonnaise and put that in the bowl with the pineapple. Or some people may prefer cottage cheese to mayonnaise, so you can go that route. Then I took the bread, the 2 slices, and broke them up into little pieces and put them in the bowl. And I mixed that up real good. So now I have the crushed pineapple with its juice, and the mayonnaise or cottage cheese, and the tiny pieces of bread all in one bowl, and I mix it up real good. And what I end up with is a delicious pineapple sandwich in a bowl, which I can eat at my own pace without dripping pineapple juice all over me. If this looks delicious to you, you may want to share this video with other people, tell them about it. I would appreciate it if you would do that. Again, this is Ron Craig sharing with you one more unique, handy and helpful household hint. You have a good day now.